Welcome back to Autocars Play. Today, we're diving into something truly powerful, truly legendary, the all-new Scania V8 2026. This is not just a truck, it's a symbol of performance, reliability, and innovation that continues to set the benchmark for heavy-duty vehicles across the globe. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes the 2026 Scania V8 a game-changer. Right from the first glance, the Scania V8 2026 commands attention. The design is bold and muscular, with a redesigned front grille that proudly showcases the V8 badge. The aerodynamics have been refined further, not only to improve fuel efficiency but also to enhance road presence. The new LED lighting signature gives it a distinctive and modern look, ensuring this beast stands out day or night. Under the hood, the 2026 Scania V8 houses its heart, a range of updated V8 engines delivering up to 770 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. This is power and torque combined in a way that provides unmatched pulling capacity for the heaviest loads. But it's not just about raw power. Scania engineers have worked tirelessly to improve fuel consumption, and thanks to cutting-edge technology, the new V8 models are up to 6% more fuel efficient compared to their predecessors. That means more savings for operators and a smaller carbon footprint for our planet. Step inside the cab and you're greeted by a space that's been designed around the driver. Comfort meets technology with high-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and a digital dashboard that puts all the controls at your fingertips. The new infotainment system offers seamless connectivity, whether you need navigation, entertainment, or real-time data on vehicle performance. The quietness inside the cabin, even at high speeds, is something drivers will appreciate on long hauls. Safety has also been taken to the next level in the Scania V8 2026. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision avoidance technology, make every journey safer not just for the driver, but for everyone sharing the road. Scania understands that reliability is everything in the transport industry, and the 2026 V8 is built to go the distance with extended service intervals and unmatched durability. What's truly impressive is how Scania has managed to blend tradition with innovation. The iconic V8 sound that drivers and enthusiasts have come to love is still there, deep, throaty, and powerful. Yet beneath that familiar growl lies a machine that's cleaner, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're hauling timber through mountain passes or delivering goods across continents, the Scania V8 2026 is built to handle it all with confidence and ease. So that's a closer look at the mighty Scania V8 2026. Let us know in the comments what you think about this incredible machine, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autocars Play for more reviews, insights, and automotive adventures. Until next time, keep driving forward.